Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm just going to show you what we are going to unbox in the upcoming 2 weeks. So I do remember I'm supposed to post two Tamika videos. So one is which I came to know that is an event exclusive. So I'm just holding that off for now because I'm just planning to do a separate week for Tamika and other brands as well. So I just want to unbox some Hot Wheels, this L&M case, which came a week back. So sadly, we are yet to get N case in Chennai. So it is nowhere in Chennai. At least the shops which I knew, no one is actually having that particular box. And it's really pissing me off because I really wanted that Huracan Sterato most specifically. But I do unboxed one Sterato which is by Sparky last week. So okay, so with that said, let's start, and I will be unboxing one set of Majorette as well. I mean one box, which is this, as you can see. So I can't able to show the whole box in this camera because it's too big. Maybe let me just show it like this. Okay, so I actually shared this box with my group members, which I talk about all the time. And I only bought like 5 of this. You can see the 4 limited edition here, and this one purple Lamborghini I wanted here. These are the things I bought in this pack, and this one, it is this Renault. You can see here the white one. This one is extra for me. No one is ready to buy that one, so I'm just keeping that for myself. So if you really want that, you can comment and ask me. I'm ready to sell it to you guys. Not don't worry, I'm not going to charge anything more than MRP, so don't worry about it. Okay, so with that said, let's move to Hot Wheels now. Let me just put this aside. Okay, let's start with this. So this is one of my favorite casting. This is a Dodge Charger RT. So this one is Art Cars. I do have one more Dodge, but I don't remember where it is or whether I unboxed it or not. I need to check that one that I bought in Muscat, I guess, like more than a year and a half back. So here is the Porsche Carrera, the Magnus Walker edition, and someone was asking about this in the video, one of my video, a Corvette Stingray, and here it is. So this is a Toyota GR86 Cup. I don't know in which cup this particular edition was participated or something. I don't know much about that, but so I do have a GR86, which is by both Tamika and Majorette. Both are actually nice. Both brand did really well. I'm not sure about Hot Wheels, so we will be looking at that. So Mazda RX-7, and last but not least for this week, a lot of people are asking for premium. So I actually bought one of this. I bought a lot for my group. This Nissan and that I think BNR 34, I guess. So I don't remember that particular version's name now. So this one I was able to get for like a little bit for less price, like like 20 rupees or so less from the MRP. So I bought it. So this will be for the first week, and this will be for the second week, which I'm showing now. So this is the Nissan 180SX Type X. So I really loved this one, but unfortunately I'm not able to get the STH version of it. And so this is a 57 Chevy. I do have some 57 Chevy, but I bought this more specifically for unboxing. And another thing is the paint job in this one looks really nice because it does have this lettering all over, which literally says Bel Air here and Chevy Bel Air, as you can see. And if you look at it in a certain angle, that green color, like it glitters. And as you guys know, I love glittery paint job, so I bought it. Okay, so next one is the Ford Performance Supervan 4, and actually I never saw this casting before, so I thought I can buy this and see how this one actually looks. And one of my personal favorite in this set is the Honda Civic Custom. So this paint job is also it looks nice. It is glittery as well, and the green, it is kind of, I'm not sure what green I can call this, but it is kind of this bluish, greenish blue, you can say, or a teal color, you can say. And another one of my favorite casting in this particular set, the Hirohata Mech. So this Merc is I think this is only one in the box, if I'm not wrong. So at least in in the boxes which I went through, this was like only one in the box. And this one is, the Vespa, 90 as a super sprint. I specifically bought this for my wife. She really loved this one, so I went back to the shop. Luckily, they had one, so I bought it. And one more thing I will be unboxing, but I'm not sure I will be publishing it in this 2 weeks, but I'm unboxing it, but I will be publishing it in maybe along with the Tomica set, which is this one. So this is the Toyota Hiace white body, and this is a bit tarmac, and this also I bought it as a gift for my wife, and I personally loved this one. This looks so cute. This one has Hello Kitty all over, and it's a licensed one. So we will be unboxing all this stuffs in the upcoming week, more specifically the Hot Wheels and Majorette. So stay tuned guys, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.